Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn LeetCode problem. This is integer to Roman. Okay, so if we have some integer, we want it in a Roman format. Okay, so you know from your school, I think you already knew about from your school that I equals to 1, v equals to 5, x equals to 10, l equals to 50, c equals to 100, and d equals to 500, and m equals to 1000. Okay, so like this, if you have input 3749, so you need to convert in this form. Okay, for example, 3000. Okay, 3000 made from m as one m is 1000, another m is 1000, and another m is 1000, so total is 3000. Okay, 700 dcc as 500 is d, and 100 is c, and 100 is c, so 500, 100, and 100, 700. Okay, 40 xl as 10 is x and less of 50l. Okay, and 9 ix as I 1 and less of 10 is x. Okay, so note 49 is not a 1, uh, 49 is not a 1 I less of 50l, because the conversation is based on the decimal place. Okay, so if you have 58, you got output from like this. If you have l, output like this. Okay, mm, so here I need to do one thing. Okay, so I took some values. Mm, okay, so this is the values: 100, 900, 500, 400. So here I have created one class, and this is the function. Here I am going to pass numbers. Okay, I mean numbers. So 1000 means m, 900 Roman of 900 is cm, Roman of d 500, and Roman of cd 400. Okay, so these are the values, and these are the Roman of this and the respective values. Okay, so I need to create some list. Okay, so Roman equals to list. Okay guys, so what are we doing here? Okay, so here you can see, if you have number 58, okay, which pass in argument in function. Okay, so loop start here. Okay, so loop will start from here. I mean 1950 500. Okay, so loop start from here. I mean from this. Okay, loop checking that number is greater than or less than from this. So 1000 is greater than 58, 900 is also greater than 400, 400, 190 is also greater than 58. Okay, so 50 is less than 58. So okay, so here 50 I mean 50 is greater than 58. Okay, so where is our 50? Okay, so 50 is less than 58. Okay, so here I need to write this thing: 58 is greater than equals to 50. Okay, so now I need to minus this 58 minus 50. So here I got 8. Okay, so I mean Roman of 8 is L. Okay, so again our new number is 8. So we need to check again. Check again here. 8 in this line. 8 is greater, I mean 8 is less than or greater than from 10, 9. So so here you can see 8 is less than 5. Okay, so again we minus 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Now we can check with 3. 3 is greater than 4 or greater than 1. So here again we minus like a 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So like this. And I just had minus 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So 8 is greater than 5. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So I need to write 3 Okay. Mm, mm. So Roman is L and V. So again 3, and we are going to check 3 greater than 1. So 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So LVI. Okay, Roman of 1 I, and Roman of 5 V, and Roman of 50 is L. Sorry, previously maybe I said Roman of 8 L. Okay, so 50 L, and Roman of 5 V, and Roman of 1 I. Okay, so we can get output from, like, I mean, this is the process how we get our output. So now I need to create a loop. Here is the list to store Roman numbers. Mm, so for I in range, for I in range length of value. Okay. Okay, while our number we took 58. 58, our number greater than equals to our number greater than equals to greater than equals to our number greater than equals to value of I. Okay, so here for I in range of length of value. Okay, so we need to check this condition. I in range of length of values. Okay, so here number, while number is greater than equals to value I. Okay, so 58. Here we are going to check again, uh, uh, 50 is greater than or less than from this. So here we find out 50 and 58 is greater than 50. Okay, so we need to minus is 58 again. So we need to minus 58. So number means our 58 minus 58 minus value means 50. Okay, so here 58 minus 58 minus 50. Oh, 58 minus 50. So I got what I got 8. Okay, so now I need to append this Roman value. So Roman dot append symbol, symbols of I. Okay, so here Roman dot append symbol of I. Okay, so here like 50 has a value, sorry, 50 has L. Okay, so we need to append this here. L is I mean in this list first element is L. Okay, so here you can see 1900 500. We can check 58 is greater than or smaller. So 58 is greater than equals to 50. So now we can minus 58 minus 50. So I got 8, and here Roman value of 50 is L. Okay, so this is the our first element in this list, Roman, in here. Now again I got 8. Now we need to check 8 is greater than from 40. No. 8 is greater than 10. No. 8 is greater than 9. No. So 8 is greater than 5. So now we again minus here. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. And then Roman number of 5. 5 is V. Okay, so we put Roman dot append symbols I here b equals to 5. So here I got again v. Okay, so here is the series again number, our number is 3. So again we need to check 3 is greater than or less than from a 3 is less than or greater than from this list. So 3 5 is 3 is greater than 5, 3 is greater than 4, and 3 is not greater than 1. Okay, so again we need to apply this condition, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Okay, so our new number is 2 and value of 1 is I. So again I need to check 2 2 from here. 2 is greater than of I mean 2 is greater than 1. Yes, so so mm, 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 so 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, so again I got I, one value is I, and again I got number 1. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So again got 0 I. So here our final output L V I. Okay, I think you got it. So now after that, for I in the range and matching the value and minus the value after comparing the number is greater than or not. So after that I need to return dot join Roman. So now I have submitted. Oh, I have got errors. Why I have got errors? Symbols. Okay, so mm, while number is greater than equals to value I. Okay, so why I got this error? uh Values है. Values, values, values. Okay. Again, I got in error in 22 lines. So here you can create your function and pass numbers like we already passed 58 and check 58 is greater than and less than. If it is less than, I mean is, if it is greater than, then you can minus from number, like we first of all we had minus 58 minus 50, so we got it new number again. So this is the condition. Here here we are going to minus numbers, roman dot append symbol I. Okay, so I want to submit it. Okay, so I got this one result. I mean, I got this result. Okay, guys, bye bye. Take care. Please do share, subscribe, and like my videos.